Your 20s are the most expensive free trial in life. I burned through cash like calories on a treadmill. Then one book rewired my entire money brain. 4 silent mistakes kept me broke. Mistake 1, worshipping the frugality altar. Imagine 2 hunters, one in the wild, one in a cubicle. Science says they burn the exact same calories. How the wild one is shredded, the desk one, not so much. The secret, overeating beats exercise every time. Money works the same way. Slashing lattes feels productive for about a week. But you can't cut $1,000 out of $1,000 salary. Focus your energy where the multiplier lives, income. Mistake 2, treating a seed like a forest. I once had $1,000 and 1,000 opinions about index funds. I spent nights tweaking asset allocations, while casually blowing a C-note on sushi weekends. 10% of $1,000 is $100. One less dinner out equaled an entire year of market gains. Flip the formula. Saving is for the starting line, investing is for the finish. Quick math, expected savings versus expected gains. Whichever number looms larger deserves your brain power. Mistake 3, chaining yourself to a static percentage. Life morphs, single, married, kids, layoffs, promotions. Yet we still ask, should I save 10%, 20-50? Bottom 20% of earners save 1%, top 20 save 24. Rigid rules ignore reality. Instead, save what you can, when you can. College me, 50% into savings. Newlywed me, 3% and 0 guilt. Dynamic life demands dynamic savings. Mistake 4, living in spending prison. One extreme, swipe now, regret never. Other extreme, every price tag feels like a crime scene. Anxiety is not a budgeting strategy. Enter the 2x rule. Splurge on $100 headphones, invest another 100. Guilt deleted, future funded. Spend on the things that buy you time, joy, productivity. My Starbucks habit looked wasteful until I ran the hidden math. $5 bought me a 4-hour office with espresso. Cheaper than rent, tastier than guilt. Ramit's mantra, spend lavishly on what you love, cut ruthlessly on what you don't. Recap time, mistake 1, worshipping frugality. Solution, grow income, not shrink life. Mistake 2, obsessing over stocks while ignoring cash flow. Solution, save big when the portfolio is small. Mistake 3, static percentage in a dynamic world. Solution, save what you can, release the guilt. Mistake 4, letting price tags dictate your self-worth. Solution, spend on joy, invest on guilt. Money is not a morality test, it's a tool. Use it to build a life you love, not a life you fear. If this rewired your brain, imagine what the next book will do. Drop a comment, which mistake was your wake-up call? Hit subscribe and keep building your orange bridge to freedom.